Welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving this very common problem, which is find missing IDs. So here, if you see, we have been given this input table where we have the IDs ranging between 1 to 10, and we need to find which all are the IDs which are missing, right? So if you see here, we have one, but we don't have two, right? We have three, but we don't have four. Similarly, we have five, six, seven, but we don't have eight, right? And we have nine and 10. So we need to find this. So this problem can be asked in any of the interview, be it SQL interview, PySpark interview, or the Python interview. So you can find the PySpark and SQL version of the same problem in the description section. So today we will be solving this problem in Python, right? So the approach is very simple. What we will do, we will find the minimum and the maximum value of the ID, right? Minimum and the maximum value of the ID column, and then we will generate values between min and max like this 1 2, and we will generate a value between min and max like between 1 and 10, right? And then we will find the difference between these two, right? This is the min max ID, right? This is min max ID, the data between min and max, and then we have the input ID. If we find the difference between these two, like we can consider this as set, right? If we find the difference between these two, we will get this ID, right? So let's do this, right? In the Jupyter notebook. So, okay. So here, if you see, this is the input data, right? Let's run this. And as I mentioned, we will find the min and the max, right? So if you see here, the min will be 1, right? The min will be 1. So you can see here, and then similarly with max. Max will be 10, right? Max will be 10. Let's run this. So here we have the min and max. The next step will be we will generate a value between min and max. So you can see here, right? We generated the one range between 1 and min and max. So that we will do using the range function, right? So what we are doing here, we are range basically takes three parameter, that is min, like from where to start, where to end, and what is the step. So by default the step value is 1. So we are just passing these two values, the minimum and the maximum. This will generate one range, right? This will generate one range. You can see here we have the range between 1 and 10. So the next step will be let's see the data, right? So we can have this in the set, right? Let's run. So you can see here we have the value between uh, 1 to 9 only. So basically this exclude the like the last value. So for that we will have to use plus 1, right? So if we do here, now you can see we have the data between 1 to 10, right? So the next step will be we will find the difference, right? So this value is there, and then the next value, like the ID column is there, right? This ID is there, this ID is there. And if we find the difference between these two, we will get the required output, right? So we are what we are doing for difference, we are using the minus, right? So we are converting this into the set, and similarly, since we are using the set on this side, so we will have to convert this into set on the other side also, and we are just finding the missing value, right? So we got are the required output, right? 2, 4, and 8. And if you see here also, we have 2, 4, and 8, right? So if you like this content, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel. And you can find a lot of interview preparation video solution on my channel. So you can do check out that also. You can check out. And let's meet in the next problem. Until then, bye.